Have you ever paused to listen to the voice inside? The one that speaks when no one else is around. This inner language, the constant conversation we have with ourselves, affects our journey of healing more deeply than we often realize. It quietly shapes our world, coloring our perceptions and influencing how we mend, both inside and out. When this voice is a harsh critic, recovery becomes an uphill battle. Constant self-criticism acts like an anchor, weighing us down when we are trying to swim to shore. It whispers that we are not trying hard enough, that we are not healing fast enough, that we are somehow failing. This internal narrative can make the path feel lonely and impossibly steep, turning our own minds into a space of judgment rather than a sanctuary for rest and repair. But what if we could change the tone of that conversation? The words we use internally have a profound power to influence our recovery. They are not just fleeting thoughts, they are instructions we give to our entire being. When we speak to ourselves with impatience or frustration, our bodies listen, holding tension and stress. Conversely, when we offer ourselves words of compassion and understanding, we create an internal environment where healing can flourish. This is the shift from critic to caregiver. It begins with a simple, conscious choice. It's noticing the harsh word and replacing it with a kinder one. It's allowing yourself the same grace you would so freely offer to a friend. You don't need to force positivity. Simply aim for neutrality, then gentleness. Instead of, "I should be better by now," perhaps try, "I am healing at my own pace." Instead of, "I am weak," "I am navigating a difficult time with the strength I have today." This practice is a form of inner nourishment, like tending to a small garden within. So today, and every day forward, make the choice to cultivate a kinder internal language. Listen with compassion, speak with care. Your healing journey is your own, and you deserve a supportive companion for every step of the way, starting with the one within.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.